This is a pretty much random. Some I wasn't expecting I was supposed to do, but I was like, you know what? I was cooking, I was doing a few things, and I was like, I'm gonna show y'all what I have created. It looks so good. And the meals that I'm actually using, I've been using this for like, I could say months, like a long time. It's very healthy, it's good, it's delicious. They have shakes, they have breakfast, they have lunch, they have dinner. They have bars, like candy bars. And if any of y'all on a diet and y'all want to like eat healthy and like still eat certain candies, certain things, look into this company. Trust me, it's worth it. And you can buy them at Sam's Club. You can definitely buy them at Walmart. That's the places I buy them at. And you can also get them online at Walmart. This is how the actual Acme looks. And that's the name right there. And here is how the food would look. Let me show y'all. It would look like that in the container. And this is what's cooking on the skillet. Don't that look good? Oof. I am about to enjoy this. Oh, this is gonna be so good. Oof. Y'all try this and let me know what y'all think. Look at that right there. Ooh, that looks so good. Now, oh my gosh. Y'all just don't understand how good it smells up in here. But first, we're gonna put this. Let me show y'all. We're gonna put the Acme meals of this in here. Let me show y'all. We're gonna pour it up in there. Oh yeah, that look good. I'm about to show you how it look. Look at that. So y'all gonna let that fry on top of that and then flip it over. Look at that right there, y'all. That looks so good. Once you flip it over, it's gonna look nice and delicious. Look at the butter on the side. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Look at this, look at here. Don't they look so good? So tasty. So yummy. If y'all enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. Try the meal. Enjoy. Subscribe if y'all new. Enjoy your food. And I
catch y'all next video.